If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
So here are our indoor Tiny Tim tomatoes. These are approximately, give or take a day or two, 1 year old. We started them in a party cup last year, and then once they got large enough, we transplanted them into our 1-gallon grow bags from rootmaker.com, and we've placed them, and we created a frame with an old greenhouse, indoor greenhouse structure, and we've got 2 Happy Leaf LED grow lights immersing a lot of light on these plants. We don't need both of them, but we had both of them, so we used both of them. So I wanted to give a 1-year update and show this is a normal harvest about every month or so. This is about what we would get in regards to tomatoes. So maintenance wise, we put a we'll do a little liquid organic fertilizer in these every probably 3 months, and then any dead foliage I'll come in and trim it off, and that'll stimulate new growth. So that's how we kind of take care, and anything that's getting really out of control, we'll trim that back as well. But that's really all the maintenance that these tomatoes are requiring. So this just shows that you can grow at least these Tiny Tim tomatoes indoors. The larger ones, I see no reason why you couldn't, but these are more of a compact variety, and that's why we were able to grow, we got 3 of them in this little area. So you can see I've got a lot all scattered throughout here. Now the watering on this is, it kind of is just determined by how dry the soil is, but also, like there is, you know, I don't know, moderate moisture there. You can see here, there's a whole lot of flowers, clusters developing underneath this light here, there, and there. What is similar to the outdoor environment is we'll hydrate the seed, hydrate them really well, and then we'll basically forget about it, let them kind of go in a stress system in order to put a whole bunch of flowers on, and then we'll water again. That seems to work, but about every 2 weeks we really water heavy and then let it dry out. Obviously the humidity or lack thereof in the house, this is in a corner of a room, determines how much moisture is being wicked out of the grow bags. But it can be done. You can grow lettuce, you can grow spinach, you can grow a lot of things indoors with the Happy Leaf LED grow lights because they have the correct light spectrum and the correct amount of light that the plants are requiring. So 1 year, we'll continue to allow these to grow and see how many years we can get out of these 3 Tiny Tim tomatoes.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.